Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Ptfs mobile app is updated and you're signed into an authorized account. This prevents compatibility errors. Once done, enable carrier permissions in app settings so the launch utility can access network profiles. Make sure you have the correct SIM and a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection. That keeps the provisioning handshake fast. Begin the carrier launch flow from the App's Tools menu, tap Launch Carrier. Then follow the prompts to fetch the carrier payload. You now select the target device profile and verify the IMEI or MAID matches the device. Mismatches cause failures. Next, apply the carrier payload, watch the progress bar, and open the live logs to catch errors early. If the app asks, grant system profile installation and allow it to modify network settings. This writes the carrier APN and VO LTE parameters. Once the write completes, restart the phone's network interface or toggle airplane mode to commit the new. You finish by verifying signal strength, data, MMS and VO LTE, test calls and internet browsing to confirm full service. If services aren't active, make sure to clear the Ptfs app cache and rerun provisioning. Transient failures are often solved by a second attempt. If problems persist, collect the app logs and network dumps, note timestamps, and escalate to support. One key troubleshooting tip: always recheck the SIMs, carrier lock, and profile compatibility before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.